Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best weeding tools that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Fiskars 339950-1001 4-claw weeding tool. Say goodbye to back-breaking weeding with this handy gardening tool. The long handle makes it easy for the avid gardener to control the spread of weeds without bending over or kneeling on the ground. The stainless steel claw grabs the offending weed, roots, and all for a more permanent weeding solution without chemicals. This weeding tool features a viewing window in the foot pedal so you can more easily see the weed as you remove it from your garden, and the ergonomically designed handle makes the entire job of weeding quick, easy, and efficient. Fiskars 339950-1001 is one of the best weeding tools you will ever own and one you'll love using. Moving on at number 4, we have the Grampa's weeding tool. Some garden tools are so simple in design, yet they work extremely well. That's an appropriate description for Grampa's weeder. The handle is 45 inches long so you can spare your back and knees when removing those unsightly weeds from your garden. This weeding tool removes weeds' roots and all with one simple motion, and with the roots gone, the weeds won't grow back as fast. Grampa's weeder is the original weeder that has been keeping yards tidy since 1913. If you have a weed problem but worry about using chemicals around pets and children, then this is the weeding tool for you. It has been designed to last, so you'll save money on expensive and toxic chemicals. This also makes a perfect gift for gardeners in your life. At number 3, we have the Butler Rocket Weeder. The beauty of using this Butler Rocket Weeder is that it is environmentally friendly. That means no nasty chemicals, and you'll get a great result when clearing your garden of those nasty botanical invaders. No more pulling up parts of the weed. This baby enables you to get a firm hold on the entire weed so you can pull it cleanly out of the ground, roots and all. The design is ergonomically comfortable in your hands, and the long handle means your back doesn't need to bear the brunt of all that strain. Made from powder-coated steel and solidly constructed, this weeding tool turns a weekend job into child's play so you can relax and enjoy the rest of your precious time off. Durable and built to last, you can pull all your weeds in short time and eject the weeds for hands-free garden maintenance. Our handy guide to the best hedge trimmers offers more great gardening tools, so check it out. At number 2, we have the Bond Manufacturing LH022 Fiberglass Garden Wiggle Weeder. Most people can't think of anything worse than wasting an entire weekend on yard work. Naturally, they'll look for any tools or implements to make the job easier and less time-consuming. Cut your weeding time to shreds with this Bond Manufacturing weeding tool. The sharpened edges on this tool can penetrate deep into the ground to get to the very roots of even the toughest of weeds, and the long handle gives you the ability to get the weeding job done without bending and kneeling. Simply walk around your garden and get the weeds out. The tempered, heat-treated steel heads have been designed for greater strength and will last a lot longer, no matter how much weeding you do. This weeding tool is also great for loosening the soil, so once the weeding is done, you can get your garden ready for plants that are more pleasing to the eye. For all gardening enthusiasts, we have prepared a selection of the best riding lawn mowers, so check them out. And finally, at number 1, we have the Gardina 8928 Hand Patio Weeder Combi System. Weeds in garden beds and lawns are a nuisance, but because they blend into their surroundings, they're barely noticeable until you get up close. But when they rear their ugly heads in walls, patios, and walkways, they're downright hideous to look at. That's when you need a tool like this Gardina 8928 Hand Patio Weeder Combi System. This weeding tool is made from high-quality steel that is rust-resistant and tough enough to last you a lifetime. It will remove all types of weeds in the cracks and crevices around your home, and if you don't like the idea of bending or stretching, You can attach this weed weeding tool to a Combi system extension handle for those hard-to-reach places where weeds appear.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.